Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Miro gives you two powerful ways to create graphs. First, build from scratch by clicking the plus icon in your left toolbar, selecting Charts, and choosing exactly what you need. Want a pie chart to show budget allocation? Done. Need a bar chart for performance metrics? Ready in seconds. But here is where Miro really shines. Our extensive template library. Click Templates in your left menu and search for bar graph, Venn diagram, or any visualization type. You get professionally designed templates that you can customize instantly. Let me walk you through your options. For showing parts of a whole, pie charts are perfect for budget breakdowns or market share analysis. Bar charts excel at comparing quantities over time or across categories. Think monthly sales figures or feature adoption rates. Need to show relationships? Then diagrams reveal overlaps between user segments or feature requirements. Comparison charts help stakeholders see product options side by side. Graphic organizers turn complex processes into clear, visual workflows. The best part? Every graph is fully interactive. Your team can comment, edit, and iterate in real time. No more static presentations that go stale the moment you share them. Unlike traditional charting tools, Miro keeps your graphs connected to the broader context. Your pie chart sits right next to your project roadmap. Your bar chart links directly to the research that informed it. Everything stays visual, collaborative, and actionable. Start with our pie chart and bar chart tutorials to master the fundamentals. Then explore our full template library to discover what else is possible. Click the link below to try Miro today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that will transform how you visualize and share data with your team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.